Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video, we shall be looking at how to create unlimited WhatsApp account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create fake unlimited WhatsApp account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if it happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to search for Secure VPN over here. So just search for Secure VPN. This is a very special application, so you can see Secure VPN. Just click on this Secure VPN and you can see the Secure VPN over here. This application has more than 100 million plus download. I have already connected to this VPN base. I have already connected to this VPN, and if you already haven't it, update it to the latest version. So you need to make sure you are using the latest update of this application. So you can see, just open it, and once you open, you can see connected over here. I'm already connected to this VPN, and now once you are done, you can see connected over here. Now once you are connected to this particular Secure VPN, all you need to do is to open your Play Store, and you need to make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Now once you have updated your WhatsApp, all you need to do is to open your WhatsApp application. Now once you open your WhatsApp, you can see it is asking for your contact over here. So you can see I have now selected United States contact, but you don't have any contact. So just open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, once again search for temporary virtual phone number. Once you search for that, there are so many over here. So I will need you to download this particular one, which is this one, and you can see it over here. You can see temp OTP number verification. Now just download this one, and once you have downloaded it, if you already haven't it, update it to the latest version. So just go ahead and then open this particular application. Now once you open this application, you can see so many countries over here. You can see so many countries. Now I have already selected United States, so you have to click on United States over here, and once you click on United States, just wait for it to load, and you can see there is some ad, so just wait for the ad to play. You can just skip the ad, and once you skip the ad, you can see the number over here. You can see so many numbers. Just click on the one that you prefer. Now once you click on the ones that you prefer, you can see copy. You can see click on the number to copy, and once you click on that, just click on this, and then click on copy. Now once you have copied this number, just go back to your WhatsApp. Now open your WhatsApp, and once you open your WhatsApp, the one is already here. So just paste this number over here, and then you click on next. Now once you click on next, you can see connecting, and once you click on next, you can see an OTP code will be sent to you. Now once the OTP code is sent, just come back to this application, and once you come back to this application, just skip the ad, and you can see refresh or update latest SMS. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you can see the latest SMS over here, and you can see your OTP code. Use this OTP code to create your unlimited WhatsApp account. So now with this, you can create your unlimited WhatsApp account using this temporary virtual phone number. So I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video